Recent Jobs Panel Column Overview. Let's take a closer look at the columns in this panel. The first column shows the job reference. This will vary depending on your company's naming scheme. You can access standard jobs by clicking on the Detail icon. Clicking on Go to Job will open the Jobs page. Clicking on the document name will open the CAT editor and you may begin working. The second column shows the tasks and language pairs. The tasks include translation, revision, subtitling, and proofreading. If the word yours appears, this job has been directly assigned to you within your company. If it doesn't appear, then this job still needs to be assigned or it has been assigned to another person within your company. The third column shows the deadline for each job. As the deadline approaches, the color will change. Yellow indicates that the deadline is within 8 hours. Red signals that the due date and time has been exceeded and the job is now overdue. The next column shows the current status for each job. A proposal status indicates that this job is awaiting acceptance. Not started means that the job has been accepted, but no work has been done. An in-progress status means that the job is actively being worked on. A completed status means all work has been done and the document is now ready for the next step. Clicking on the graph icon will open the short progress report. Here, we see the task, the status, and the assignment of the job. We can also see what percentage has been completed or validated and what still needs to be done. Here we see any errors. The report also shows when the last change occurred, the last error check, and when the last comment was posted. Click here for the full report. Lastly, by clicking on Select, you will be taken to the Job Details page.